This is how we do things for the best to show people. It's dark in my car and I'm using a product. Look at that bad boy, shows Honda. I want to use painter's tape, and don't be skimpy on it. Somewhere right about there is where I want to put it. There's the magnet. I don't think I'm going to have a problem when I put it right about there. Let me get some more tape. That's what you want to do. I'm going to open up the door now. There we go. Close the door. I got it where I need it to be. Right there. First shot. How you like that? Remember, I said some special glue in my other video. Right there, so I don't lose it. Took me a little while to get this tape off. And drop it right on there. Oh, people want to make sure this is perfect. 10 minutes later, that sucker would be dry. Clean up. Shut the door. Open it up very slowly. Look for the light. There you go. My job is done. Nighttime. You're going to see that light lit up perfect, man. And man, door's got to be open to see it all. Now, I could have put it right over here. I'm fine where it's at. Right there. Not over here. I'm good. So you can understand when we put this on, you want to make sure, as you can see, it will go on and off if there is metal. And I didn't show that in my other video. I'll do that one more time for you. The light is off. The light will go on because of metal. This is a different way of checking the unit out, trying to figure out when I actually run this over a certain area, and you can see the light will come on and the light will be in the off position. Oh man, I got my light lit up. I'm happy as can be. Very simple to do. I just did not see it when I did it. Take a break. If all this city noise, YouTube studio, is getting to you, come back. You'll figure it out just like that. Have a great day, and I hope this video was entertaining to you. I'm out of here, aka Roaster the Fish.